Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome to my channel. Anyway, it's getting darker in Vancouver. It's fall, so I think it's time to install the front signal light for my CD Pro. It's my wife CD Pro actually, as you can see right there. So you can see that I already opened the right signal light just to see how much voltage I'm gonna get here, and if the signal light if the signal light is gonna work if I tap it there. Anyway, yeah, I bought the signal light like a couple weeks after I received the CD Pro, but didn't get a chance until now to work on it. So like yeah, and now I started, and I'll show you guys that the light is working when I tap to this wire here. And if you want to see guys like how I'm gonna install it, how I'm gonna run the wire, and where I'm gonna install the signal light, stay tuned for that, and I will do that as soon as I can. All right. Okay, press now.